Another day, another story. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and looking for ways to make money online? Well, you're in luck because there are countless opportunities to earn cash from the comfort of your own home. From blogging and e-commerce to online courses and affiliate marketing, the possibilities are endless. But before we dive in, let's get one thing straight: making money online is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes patience, hard work, and dedication. One strategy that can help you grow your online income gradually and sustain it for the long term is using lead magnets. A lead magnet is a free resource or incentive that you offer to your readers in exchange for their contact information, such as an email address. By collecting email addresses, you can build a list of potential customers that you can market to in the future. And if you are into blogging, lead magnets can be a great way to grow your readership and income, by providing valuable resources to your audience in exchange for their contact information. This way, you can build a list of potential customers to market your products or services in the future. Email marketing is one of the most powerful ways to reach and engage your audience, and lead magnets are a great way to start building your email list. And for beginners, Lead Lightning is a great tool to use. It is user-friendly and has a lot of features that can help you create opt-in forms, landing pages, and email campaigns. But, if you are looking for more advanced features and automation, you could also consider tools like system.io. If you are looking to start your career on YouTube, video tools like Pictory can help you create visually stunning content that will help you stand out from the crowd. Want to put your skills to work today? Check out these 15 job ideas that can be done online using the tools I mentioned earlier. These job opportunities are perfect for starting your own business and using the tools to your advantage. 1. Blogging. 2. E-commerce. 3. Online courses. 4. Affiliate marketing. 5. Stock photography. 6. Virtual assistants. 7. Online tutoring or coaching. 8. Dropshipping. 9. Podcasting. 10. Influencer marketing. 11. Online surveys. 12. Freelancing. 13. Crowdfunding. 14. Online gaming. 15. Domain flipping. Remember, the key to success is to find something that you enjoy doing and then work hard to develop your skills and build a following. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. And be sure to check out the Pictory in the description. By using my link, you'll get a 20% discount on your purchase. Plus, as a bonus, you'll also get access to a free email marketing system, complete with an autoresponder and free training, all for just $7. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.